Weight loss drops promising rapid fat burning are everywhere online, and LipoWave Drops is one of the latest. But does this liquid supplement actually help you lose weight, or is it just marketing hype? Let's break it down. So LipoWave Drops are marketed as a natural weight loss formula made from plant-based ingredients like green tea extract, Garcinia cambogia, cinnamon, and bitter melon. They're sold as a daily sublingual or liquid supplement that supposedly boosts metabolism, controls appetite, and supports fat burning with minimal effort. The site even offers a 60-day money-back guarantee to make it feel low risk. Some of the ingredients do have research supporting modest effects on metabolism and appetite. Green tea extract can slightly increase calorie burning and fat oxidation in some studies. Herbals like Garcinia cambogia and cinnamon bark have been explored for appetite regulation and glucose metabolism support, but effects are often small and inconsistent. User reports often talk about reduced craving or feeling a bit more aware of eating habits, which might help if you're already dieting and exercising. But here's the reality most people don't hear. There's no published clinical trial proving LipoWave Drops itself causes significant weight loss, and most evidence on the individual ingredients show only modest effects at best. Online site trust tools give very low credibility scores to pages selling the product. High risk signals like new domains with little traffic and poor track records. Helpful Reddit discussions on similar weight loss drops generally conclude that no drops or quick fix pills beat a basic calorie deficit and exercise, and many are just hype. Some folks online describe the supplements as expensive placebo-style products that don't meaningfully impact weight without diet and lifestyle changes. So do LipoWave drops actually help you lose weight? Not on their own. While some ingredients might support appetite control or a tiny bump in metabolism, there's no strong evidence that the drops itself produce noticeable weight loss, and the most effective drivers of fat loss remain calorie control, balanced diet, and regular exercise. Supplements can be supportive at best, not miracle cures. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.